Hello, today we'll determine the ABCD parameter for the given circuit. The circuit is like this. V2, this is your I1, this is I3, and this is I2. And resistance of 12 ohm. Okay. Now here we have to find this. We can find A and C parameter. The A and C parameter, your A parameter is equal to V1 by V2 when I2 is equal to 0, and your C parameter is equal to I1 by V2 when I2 is equal to 0. And when this I2 is equal to 0, when this is open circuited, means no current will flow through this, I2 will be 0, and therefore we can find A and C parameter. So apply here KVL to this loop, first loop. If you apply KVL, V1 is equal to 12 into I1 minus I3. This is equal to 12 I1 minus 12 I3. This is equation number 1. Now apply KVL to inner loop. So inner loop is this loop. There is 0 voltage source, and this is 12 into I3 plus 12 into this I3 plus this 12 into I3 minus I1. So here it will be 36 I3 minus 12 I1 is equal to 0. And therefore this 36 I3 is equal to 12 I1, and therefore I3 is equal to 1 by 3 I1. This is equation number, one more equation, equation number 2. Now we have to put this value of I3 in equation 1. Therefore V1 is equal to 12 I1, and I3 is equal to here minus 12 into 1 by 3 I1. So this will be 12 I1 minus 4 I1, and this is equal to 8 I1, and V1 is equal to this. This is equation number 3. Okay, and what is the voltage across this V2? Voltage across this branch, it is nothing but 12 times I3. Okay, so we have got the circuit like this. So here it is I3 is flowing. This I2 is 0 now. So I2 is here 0, and therefore this is a 12 ohm. So if you calculate voltage across this, it is suppose V2, and this is 12 times I3. 12 times I3. Therefore we have to put here again value of I3. Just we have got I3 is equal to 1/3 of I1. I3 is equal to 1/3 of I1. So again it is a 4 I1 V2. And here we have got one more parameter here. I1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 4 more, and this is your parameter C. This is C parameter. So one more parameter we can get here, A is equal to V1 by V2 when I2 is equal to 0. So we have got V1 here, V1 is equal to 8I1, V1 is equal to 8I1, and V2 is from this is V2, V2 is equal to 4I1, this is a 2, so this is a parameter. So now the two parameters will be there remain, that is B and D. So for B and D, what we have to do? We have to short the output terminal. So when you short this output port, this resistance will also short, and this will be, the circuit will become like this. Okay. Now this is your original circuit. Now here we are short. So here V1, this is 12 ohm, this is 12 ohm, this is here I1 is flowing, and here it is I3 is flowing. Okay. So now we have to apply here again, apply KVL. So this V1 is equal to 12 I1 minus I3. This is a 12 I1 minus 12 I3. And instead of this, we have to omit this I3. So here it is a I3 and this is I2 here. So at this juncture, what will be the value? This is a summation of these two current is equal to 0 at this juncture. So this current is coming, this current is coming. So here we have to take I3 is equal to minus 2, and we have to put this value I3 is equal to minus 2 in this equation. So V1 is equal to 12 I1 minus 12 into I2. Therefore, this is 12 I1 plus 12 I2. This will get here. V1 is equal to this equation. So this is equation number, suppose 5. Okay. Now we have to apply the KVL to inner loop. When you apply KVL to the 0 is equal to 12 I3 plus 12 I3 minus I1. So if you solve this further, this is a 24 I3 minus 12 I1. Okay. So instead of this I3, we have to put here I2. So what will be here? 24 I3 is minus I2 minus 12 I1. So it is minus 24 I2 minus 12 I1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 24 I2 is equal to 12 I1. This is minus sign, and therefore the minus I1 by I2 is equal to, this is 2, and this is which parameter? This is a D parameter. This is D parameter. Okay. This is equation number 6. Now what is remained? Remained the B parameter. B parameter can be found from this equation number 5. So 5 is 12 I1 plus 12 I2. 12 I1 plus 12 I2. And here we have to substitute the values of to substitute here value of I1. So from this we can substitute I1. What is I1? Here I1 is equal to, this is I, equal I2, this minus sign is there, this is minus sign is there. Therefore 12 into minus 2I2 plus 12I3, sorry, 12I2 is equal to, this is a minus 24I2 plus 12I2. So what is remaining here? It is minus 12 minus 12I2, that is V1, and therefore it is a V1 upon minus I2 is equal to 12, and this is the B parameter. So in this way we have found the ABCD parameter which we have to put in the formula ABCD. So here A we have got here 2B, 12, C we have got B is 12, and C is here we have got 1 by 4, and D we have got 2. Okay, so C we have got here, C is 1 by 4. This is a ABCD parameters. So thanks for watching the video.